Welcome back to Shib Army, everyone. 100-200x Shib news was promised by this effort. The year 2023 has seen a comeback in cryptocurrencies. While the majority of other market players have recovered, the majority of cryptocurrencies have recovered around half of their 2022 losses. Market watchers worry that Shiba Inu's stuttering performance may deteriorate and lead to widespread whale sell-offs. Already, investors have begun to leave the Shiba ecosystem in pursuit of cryptocurrencies that show greater promise. We shall discuss the Shib Army in this video. 100-200x Shib news was promised by this effort. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. In August 2020, an unidentified person or group going by the name Ryoshi announced the Shiba Inu meme currency initiative. Investors began to prefer Shiba during the 2021 meme coin frenzy. In terms of market valuation, the dogecoin rival surged more than 49 million% to mint millionaires and placed in the top 10. Despite tremendous efforts by the Shiba team to raise the project's value, Shiba Inu has dropped well below its all-time high with very little positive price activity. In the past month, Shiba's pricing has hardly changed. To preserve the Shiba environment, Shiba Inu engineers have been working diligently to create a line of DeFi products. In the past 2 years, the developers have introduced a Layer 2 network called Sharium, a decentralized exchange called shibaswap, an NFT marketplace, and Shiba token burning to lower the amount of supply in circulation. The price of Shiba Inu has not gone up, despite these encouraging trends. The main reason for this is that these improvements are not exclusive and aim to compete for customers with more advanced ecosystems like Polygon. As a result, investors are losing faith in a comeback, and the Shiba ecosystem has stagnated. On April 13th, there were 3.1 million wallets on the Sharium testnet. Today, there are more than 5 million. The measurements of its testnet PuppyNet show that Sharium, the Layer 2 solution for the Shiba ecosystem, is experiencing a tremendous rise in adoption rate. Interestingly, PuppyNet now has over 5 million wallets, an 86% growth in just 2 days. Keep in mind that on April 12th, PuppyScan, the specialized PuppyNet Explorer, went down due to a tweet by Shiba project lead Satoshi Kusama that alluded to ongoing development work. As revealed by the Crypto Basic on April 13th, the Explorer returned after 14 hours with 3,122,259 wallets on PuppyNet. In addition, there were 2.95 million transactions and 34,700 blocks in total. There are currently 5.8 million wallets on the testnet, an astounding 86% rise in just 2 days. In the last 2 days, PuppyNet has welcomed 2.7 million wallets. Furthermore, the current total of 3.2 million transactions represents a 99.5% increase in the number of transactions. Before the week is over, the total number of blocks has also increased to 374,000 wallets. Despite these optimistic developments, it is important to note that data indicates the network is presently going through an indexing process, so certain counts might not be correct. Last month, PuppyNet was launched to let users test Sharium's capabilities and find any problems that needed to be fixed before the mainnet went live. Thus far, testing has proceeded according to plan, and the test network has accomplished remarkable things in terms of acceptance rate. With its meme-inspired cryptocurrency developing a sizable following among investors, Shiba Inu has been in the news lately. However, it has been difficult for its price to increase. This is because more token burns are required to move the price, according to Shiba Inu's chief developer. A practice known as token burns involves taking some of the cryptocurrency's supply out of circulation, which lowers the total amount of the currency and may raise its value. According to Shiba Inu's primary developer, additional token burns are required to reduce the token supply and raise its price. After the recent spike in Shiba burn numbers, the Shiba community has been eagerly awaiting a price increase for the token. Nevertheless, the price of Shiba remains below the expectations of its community, even with the strong burn numbers in the first part of April. The highest burn figures since October 2022 were recorded in March 2023. In addition, the lead Shiba Inu developer recently said that additional burns are required to have a major effect on Shiba prices. This might be the case because, even though the burn statistics are great, their impact may be lessened when expressed in US dollars. The Shiba ecosystem's governance token is Shiba Inu. The token is ERC20. It formed a long lower wick after bouncing at the pattern support line. This is regarded as an indication of purchasing pressure. The price will confirm the breakout and a possible upward trend that might take it to 0.134 if it closes above the resistance level of 0.115. This might happen during the next 24 hours. The 0.618 high retracement resistance level and the height of the triangle projected to the breakout level are used to determine the objective. The bullish view for Shiba's price, however, would be nullified if it dropped below the rising support line, which may lead to a decline to 0.77. The reading from the 6-hour technical analysis is consistent with the daily one. On March 17th, the price broke out from a declining resistance line, and 10 days later, it confirmed this as support. Despite the price's difficulty starting an upward trend, it is making an effort to break out from the resistance level of 0.11. An eventual breakout is anticipated because resistances get weaker every time they are touched. Additionally, on April 12th, the price of Shiba formed a lengthy lower wick, indicating purchasing pressure. Lastly, another indication of a bullish trend is the daily RSI's climb above 50. Therefore, the most likely future price perspective is a breakout from the 0.115 region and a climb to 0.135. A breakout to 0.135 is the most likely Shiba price prediction. This positive view would be nullified if the market closed below the short-term ascending support line. The price of Shiba might then fall to 0.77. With its popularity soaring in recent months, Shiba Inu has been making headlines in the cryptocurrency industry. Shiba's remarkable 30,000% rise in burn rate is one of the most recent advances. Because of the Koyo token initiative, Shiba Inu's burn rate has skyrocketed by more than 30,000% in the past day. Koyo burnt a staggering 1.49 billion Shiba tokens, according to data from the Ethereum blockchain, which contributed to the reduction of the enormous supply of the meme-inspired cryptocurrency. Koyo had already destroyed a sizable portion of Shiba before. Early this year, it transferred 1.1 billion tokens to a defunct wallet. Koyo made its debut solely on the shibaswap DEX last month, and through a number of transactions, it has contributed to an 8.75 billion Shiba token reduction in the supply of Shiba Inu. The spike in the burn rate indicates that demand for the token is rising. The biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, Binance, extensively confirms the caliber of the Shiba Inu project and Shiba token. Binance declared that after proving qualities like quality, team dedication, and stability, the Shiba Inu coin is one of the cryptocurrencies being removed from the innovation zone of the centralized exchange. The innovation zone was created to provide Binance users with a secure environment in which to trade novel and inventive projects. According to a Binance release, some of these projects have shown their value over time and fulfilled the high standards we demand. We will remove such initiatives from the innovation zone when we find them during our recurring project assessment. The announcement is a significant validation of Shiba's quality by the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. The level of team commitment and the caliber of development activity, trading volume and liquidity, networked SLS, smart contract stability and safety, public communication, due diligence, responsiveness, ethical behavior, and contribution to a robust and sustainable crypto ecosystem are all factors that Binance takes into account when transferring tokens out of the innovation zone. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. The original script's length and meaning have been preserved while I have made grammatical fixes. If you require any other changes, please let me know.